Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet and Richard here. Okay, we're having this question. It says that a chemical reaction is the rearrangement of atoms of reacting compounds to form new compounds. So, consider the reaction below, where A combines with B to give you AB. And the question says that identify which of the substances are reactants. So which are reactants here? Reactants are the one which combine. So it is A and B. Okay. Then identify which of the substances are products. We have only one product. And what is it? A, B. Yeah. So comes this question and says that what does the arrow represent? What does it represent? The arrow represents direction of reaction as reactants combine to form the product. So what does that's what the arrow shows. The direction taken from the reactants to the product. So that is that. Yes. So comes this question. It says that equations can be represented in different ways. Okay. One, it can be word equation. Two, it can be picture equation. Three, it can be chemical equation. Okay. Then this question says that consider each of the equations below and state the type of each, whether it's word, picture, or chemical. Okay. So what equation is this one? We are having the symbols, chemical symbols, being the representative of the entities. That one is called chemical equation. Okay. Yes, then we come to this one. Nitrogen is represented by this, hydrogen by this, and this is ammonia. So what kind of representation is this one? This is picture equation. Okay. Then we come to this one. We are having nitrogen and hydrogen giving ammonia as words. So, what type of equation is this one? This one is called word equation. Yes. So comes this question. It says that for the reaction below, this is the reaction. Write the chemical name of the reactants. So these are the reactants. And what are their chemical name? The first one is that one, which is nitrogen. And the second one is that H, which is hydrogen. Okay, then comes the next one. It says that write the chemical name of the product. The chemical name is ammonia or nitrogen hydride. Yeah. Yes, so comes this question. It says that for the reaction, write the chemical formula of the reactants. So what's the chemical formula of the reactants? They are shown here. As you see them, they are chemical formulas. So the first one is nitrogen. And the second one is hydrogen. You can skip the coefficients. Okay, here they say write the chemical formula of the product. The chemical formula of the product is NH3, as you see it there. You can ignore the coefficients. Yes. Then we come to this question. It says that for the reaction below, this is the reaction. Identify the coefficient on each below. Okay? Yes, this is this. What is the coefficient of on nitrogen? So the coefficient on nitrogen, this is this. Okay, coefficient means the number in front. So if you don't see any number here, what is the number there? The answer is 1. So the coefficient of nitrogen is 1. So what is the coefficient on this? The answer is 3. And what is the coefficient on ammonia? The answer is 2. Yes. So comes this question. It says that what does the coefficient represent? Yes, what does it represent? It represents the number of molecules as presented by the equation. Yes. So comes this question. It says that for the reaction below, this is the reaction. Identify the subscript in each of the following. Okay, you have to know that the subscripts are these numbers, these ones. Yes. So what's the subscript here? It's 2. And here it is 2. Actually, we made a mistake here. This was supposed to be 3. So what is the subscript for this? Here, you have to know that for nitrogen, it is 1. And for hydrogen, it is 3. Why do we say that? When you look at this molecule, it shows that within this molecule there is 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So that's why you see it's 1 for nitrogen and 3 for hydrogen. So this question comes, it says that what does subscript represent? It represents the number of atoms of a given element in one molecule. So that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We are simply the best. See you then. Bye bye.